Hi everyone, welcome to Masterchefmom. Today I'm going to make a super tasty, healthy and quick to make curry leaves chutney recipe. It's so easy to make. Vango, I'll show you how. So first step, we are going to wash the curry leaves. So next step, we are going to pat dry this. Place a cloth. Drain the excess water and spread it like this. Now wipe it like this. So we are doing this so that the curry leaves does not splutter much when we are frying. Curry leaves are pat dried. Now I am going to fry other ingredients. So heat a pan. Add sesame oil. The oil is hot. I am going to add mustard seeds. So I am going to share an important tip here. If you want to, temper your chutney, instead of keeping your ladle and tempering it later, while you are adding mustard seeds here, I am going to take a little bit of mustard seeds and add it to my serving bowl. So our tempering is already ready. So the mustard seeds have started to splutter. Now I am going to take a small portion of this tempering and add it to my serving bowl. Next I am going to add urad dal. Dry red chillies. Next I am going to add the curry leaves. Next we are going to add the tamarind. Next I am adding coconut. Fry it just for a few seconds. You can add salt. Add little, you can always adjust later. That's it, I am switching off the gas now. Now I am going to add water. So if you are going to serve it with rice, then add less water while grinding. If you are going to serve it with idli, dosa or any tiffin, then you can add more water and serve it as a watery flowy chutney. I am going to serve it in both the ways. First I am going to add less water and grind it. So when you are serving with rice, you can grind it like this, coarsely, and it is this thick, very less water. This will taste amazing with rice and ghee. Now I am going to add more water and grind for the chutney. So I am adding more water. Now we are going to grind it smoothly. Our curry leaf chutney is now ready. So our curry leaf chutney for rice and curry leaf chutney for idli, dosa, upma is now ready. Raghu, dosa karvepla chutney. Taste and tell me எப்படி இருக்கு.
Oh, looks so beautiful, Uma. Simply delicious. Huh? Tangy, spicy, curry leaf flavor. Too good.
And it tastes amazing with rice also. So do try both the options. I'm sure your family is going to just love it. Do share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.